road construction ahead.
Teamwork.
Yeah, Jeff! All clear.
Teamwork.
We're out here working all day long, from early morning right after dawn. We're building a road for you to use. We're one of the finest road construction crews. Hey, we dance for the weather. We wear hard hats.
Your bus shoes. We work in the mud and the blowing dust.
Working together as a team is our must.
Teamwork, teamwork from each and every one. Teamwork, teamwork till our work is done. Teamwork, teamwork from each and every one. Teamwork, teamwork till our work is done.
Teamwork. Teamwork. Teamwork.
Well, hello there. My name's George. Welcome to our road construction site. I'm the boss of the road construction crew. I help my workers do a good job, and I'll be around to help you too. I'm sure you'll find your way around this road construction CD-ROM without much trouble, but I want you to know that I'm always around to give you a helping hand when you need it. All you have to do is look for the red help sign and click on it. There are lots of fun things hiding out where you least expect them, my friend. So explore and learn by clicking around each scene. Oh yeah, one more thing. Find the hard hats that are playing hide and seek at the job site and start to finish screens. Tag them with a click, and they'll appear in their special place on the hard hat screen. See you around! The loader is a powerful machine with oversized tires. The huge tires spread the weight of the truck and keep it from getting stuck in the soft soil and mud. The large bucket in front has jagged metal teeth that can tear up the dirt and get underneath large pieces of rock and debris. The operator uses levers to raise and lower the bucket. The bucket can be lifted high enough to drop its load in the dump truck. A bulldozer is used to level the land where the road will be built, following the plans and the surveyor's markings. It helps to set the grade of the road. The bulldozer is also used to move obstacles like tree stumps and boulders. It can spread dump piles of sand, gravel, stone, or soil. The bulldozer uses tracks instead of wheels. The tracks spread out the weight of the bulldozer so that it doesn't sink into the soft soil or loose gravel. The bulldozer operator can raise, lower, or tilt the thick steel blades from within the cab using levers. Dump trucks are used to carry materials from and to the road construction site. They have large metal boxes called beds which can be filled with soil, rocks, and unwanted debris, as well as steaming hot asphalt which is used to pave the road. To dump the load, the driver tilts the bed, the back tailgate is opened, and with the help of gravity, the load slides out. The word excavate means to dig. The excavator moves around on crawler tracks which keep it from getting stuck in the mud. It reaches its arm out, and with its bucket it can tear up rocks, concrete, and soil. The cab can turn around without moving the tracks. This helps to keep its balance when lifting a heavy load. The long arm of the excavator can be used to put other road building material in places that are difficult to reach. It's also useful in lifting and placing culvert pipes with the help of a long chain connected to the bucket. Special excavators, also called power shovels, are used to load trucks with loose rocks and soil. The grader smooths out rough surfaces to make a perfect grade that's suitable for paving. The grader has a large sharp blade called a mold board. By passing back and forth, it scrapes the roadbed and gets rid of bumps. It pushes the dirt and spreads it evenly, filling in any holes, leaving the road perfectly smooth. The steamroller uses its weight. It shakes and vibrates as it packs down the hot asphalt. A water system sprays heated water, creating steam. The machine rolls along on its enormously heavy drums. The steam warms up the asphalt and helps the drums to glide smoothly on the hot surface. There are many steps to building a new road. It's a complicated task. The road planners must decide where to start the road and where to finish it. It's important to plan it following the shortest route possible. These design engineers make a map showing where the road will be built. The first people on the job site are the surveyors. They follow the map the engineers have made. The surveyors use special instruments to measure the land. The path is marked where the road will be built. All the crew members will see where the work is to be done by looking at the wooden stakes and ribbons that the surveyors have placed. After the surveyors have done their job, the excavation begins. When workers find solid bedrock where the road needs to be built, it has to be removed. This is the job of the blasting crew. Holes are drilled deep into the rock and filled with explosives. Special care is taken to use just the right amount of explosives. It's important to be careful when the blasting takes place. The crew wears safety hats to protect them. They do not go near the explosion. A blasting signal is sounded to clear workers and machines from the blasting site. The explosion makes the rocks break into smaller pieces. They fly through the air. The name for these pieces is shot rock. Shot rock can be used in many ways in the building of the new road. One way is to crush it and use it when paving the road. When the blasting is finished, an all-clear signal is sounded.
All clear.
Excavators do the job of digging. Some excavators are used to dig holes in the earth. Special excavators, like this power shovel, are used to remove the shot rock and load it into trucks. The jagged teeth on the bucket and the careful work of the excavator operator help to break up large clumps of soil and rock. The forward-facing bucket and rotating base of this excavator make it a very efficient loading machine. Front-end loaders are used on the construction site to lift, move, and load trucks with stone, gravel, dirt, and other materials. The front-end loader fills trucks with shot rock to help clear the construction site. The operator lifts and tips the bucket over, emptying it into the waiting dump truck. Dump trucks are used to carry materials from, to, and around the construction site. They have large metal boxes, called beds, which are filled by the loader. Off-the-road dump trucks have gigantic tires and are used to move huge amounts of material around the construction site. To empty the load, the driver raises one end of the truck bed in the air, then gravity makes the material slide out of the truck. This over-the-road dump truck is delivering the soil that will be leveled to create the road beds. A bulldozer is used to level the land where the road will be built, establishing the grade along the surveyed route. On the job site, the bulldozer operator uses levers to adjust the blade, pushing and spreading loosened soil over the road surface. The bulldozer moves back and forth on its crawler tracks, which keep it from getting stuck in the muck and loose dirt. After the bulldozer has spread out the piles of soil, gravel, or sand, the grader is called in to smooth the road surfaces. Using a long sharp blade called a mold board, the grader scrapes away the high parts and fills in the low parts so that the road will be flat and smooth. It levels the road surface to the exact marks of the surveyor. When the road surface is smooth and level, it is time to pave the road. The paver is a huge machine that evenly spreads hot asphalt to create the road surface. Dump trucks load the paver with steaming asphalt. The paver spreads the asphalt out smoothly over the packed road bed. The road surface is made up of several layers of asphalt. Asphalt is a combination of gravel, sand, and hot oil. The steamroller is responsible for completing the road surface. It moves with the paver, rolling back and forth, packing down the hot asphalt and smoothing out any rough edges. The large hot rollers vibrate and press heavily on the asphalt, making it smooth and flat.